Here is a wonderful 2019 Chevrolet Trax. This vehicle still has fewer than 20,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Chevrolet Trax, the compact SUV that lets you navigate the urban landscape with efficiency and sporty style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel light and nimble in the city-savvy Trax. Come in for a test drive today.